Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply only eKYC account for authorized signatory and eKYC for employee in Organized based DSC. First navigate to the Pantasign website www.pantasign.com and click on Buy DSC Certificate option to begin the DSC purchase process. After clicking on the Buy DSC option, you will be navigated to the sign up page. Enter your mobile number, click on the Get OTP button, and then enter the OTP you receive. Next, input the valid CAPTCHA code and click on the Next button to proceed. Click on Next button. You will further navigate to the next page. Click the option of Organization option button. And choose the second option to apply only eKYC account for authorized signatory. To apply for an organization-based DSC, eKYC for authorized signatory, enter the organization details and authorized signatory details. Start by entering the required details, including GSTIN, organization name, unit, type, city, state, country, and office address. Then, input the PIN code, employee ID, PAN number, DOB, full name, as per PAN, gender, mobile number, applicant email ID, and email OTP. Indicate whether you have a business partner, then provide your username, eKYC account PIN, confirm the PIN, specify the authorization count, and add any remarks. Finally, enter the CAPTCHA code and submit the application. After submit your application form, you will be navigate to the next page. Now click on Verify Email button. Enter email and then click on to verify OTP. Now click on Upload Documents and upload all the documents. Click on option of Upload Video button. Click on Capture Video and then submit. After completion of above steps of video verification, RCA team will approve and then you can proceed to the next steps. For the verification of the authorized signatory, approve or not. 1. Go to the www.pantasign.com, click on eKYC login button. 2. You will be navigate to the subscriber eKYC account login page, enter the mobile no PIN, click on Send OTP and enter CAPTCHA code. And then click on Login button. You will be navigated to the next page. Click on Assign Application Form button. Your authorized signatory has been approved. Apply eKYC for employee. First visit to the sign up page. Click on Radio button, Indian, enter the applicant's mobile number, click on the Get OTP button and then enter the OTP you receive. Next input the valid CAPTCHA code and click on the Next button to proceed. Click on the Radio button option for organization and then click on the Apply eKYC for employee option. After click on Apply on eKYC for employee, you will be navigated to the next page. Submit Signer ID and get org details. Enter the Signer ID, e.g. 86787236889 at mobile, Pantasign that has been generated during eKYC account for authorized signatory. Then click on Login button. Enter all the applicant details which are required. Org unit. Enter unit. EMP ID PAN number. Date of birth. Full name as PAN and then verify. Gender male female. State address. PIN code. Have business partner. User PIN. Confirm PIN. Enter CAPTCHA code. Then click on Next button for navigate to the next page. After submission of applicant form, you will further move to the next step to verify the email. For verification of applicant email, enter the email, enter OTP and then verify. Click on Upload Document button for uploading all the required documents. Then move forward to next step of Upload Video. Click on Capture Video, make a video and then submit. After completion of uploading the video, you will be redirected to the next page for payment step. Choose a suitable method to make a payment. Completion of payment, click on button of application send to CA till you have to wait for the CA approval and then completes your e-sign verification step. Follow these steps, open www.pantasign.com. Click on eKYC login option. Enter username, mobile number. Enter user PIN, 6-digit PIN like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click on Send OTP, then after enter OTP. Enter CAPTCHA code. Tick on box, I agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Login. After login you will get form below showing Assign Agreement form, then click on Assign Application form. You will get assign done successfully. Then after click on Add Passcode option, then click on Create option, then create 6 characters alphanumeric. Password, example ABC123. Then click on Update. You will get passcode update successfully. For download DSC, please follow these steps. Open www.pantasign.com. Click on Download option. Pantasign Utility, Download Utility, Setup.x, 9.0 megabytes. Run this setup and install Pantasign Utility. Download Cryptographic Token Driver, WDHYP. Open Pantasign Utility. Click on Get Started. Enter application ID, download passcode, applicant date of birth, DOB. Click on Login. Enter OTP, OTP sent to applicant mobile number. Click on Download Signing Certificate. Enter token password, then you will get message certificate download successfully.